Good morning everyone. I'm Rashi Balyan and presently I'm an assistant professor in Jain Group of Institutions, Bangalore. Welcome to the presentation. Giving you guys just a brief about my work experience and educational qualification. My past work experience include 2 years of work experience with the academics industry and 1.5 years of experience with the corporate industry. And this educational qualification, I have completed my PhD in marketing from JD Goenka University, Gurgaon. My post graduation diploma, that is my MBA in retail management from Birla Institute of Management and Technology, and my graduation, that is BBA in human resource from Bharati Vidyapeeth University, Delhi. So in the last 3 years, approximately 3 to 3.5 years, I have an experience with the corporate as well as the academics. So before beginning the presentation, I would like to give you a brief about my topic, that is the impact of consumer buying behavior. How does the advertising media strategy that impacts the consumer buying behavior, especially if we talk about the FMCG sector. So moving ahead to the next slide. Well, yes, when we talk about the FMCG sector, that simply means the fast moving consumer goods, or the goods which are sold very quickly at a very low price. Right now, even today, we can see that many advertising companies, they are using a lot of celebrities to endorse their products, to promote their product. But is this like a lot of cost is required to be spent on the advertising media in order to influence the buying behavior of consumer? Is it really necessary, and how is it going to impact their buying behavior? That's what all my research is all about. So how does the media strategies, how are they impacting the buying behavior of consumer? How is it going to influence their buying behavior? So moving on to the next slide. So when we talk about the advertisement, the consumer buying behavior and the FMCG industry, how they are interlinked. Advertisement is one of the most topical strategies of many brands for the promotion of their product. The purpose of mass advertisement is to gain attention for the product, ensuring prolonged association with the consumers, or for the purpose of recall of their product in the customer's mind. This study purports to consider the application of the well known, the very well famous theory, that is idea theory, that is awareness, interest, desire, and the action, that is a main core theory of marketing. So, for the purpose, it proceeds to analyze the impact of advertisement in influencing the consumer's attitude, their behavior to purchase the durable products like television, refrigerator, especially even the products which are used in the for the grocery sections also. So all the kinds of durable goods. So today most of the advertisement companies, they are coming up with new celebrity promotions, coming up with more advertising campaigns, so that they can develop a kind of a emotional connection with their customers in order to create a distinct image, or in order to go for the distinct positioning in the mind of the consumers, in order to influence their buying behavior. So moving on to the next slide. The objectives of my study are, the first objective is to identify the level, to how much level the influence of advertisement is affecting the buying decision of a consumer. And secondary objectives of this research or this study were to identify the advertising media that gets the attention of the consumer, to know what type of advertisement can attract the consumer the most, and to identify how the advertisement can influence the purchasing behavior of the consumers. So, the statement of the research hypothesis. We all know that null hypothesis can be here, like there is no significant relationship between the consumer buying behavior and the advertisement with the different marketing media and the different marketing agencies they are being portraying. So alternative hypothesis would be just opposite, that is, there is a significant relationship between the consumer buying behavior and the advertisement. So the research model here says that how does the impact of advertisement is a combination of the consumer awareness and the perception that people have about the different brands of the product, that people have about different celebrities about the product, and then combining both the strategies, how they make the buying decision about any specific product which can satisfy their need or their want. So consumer buying behavior basically refers to the methods that involved when an individuals or group choose, buy, utilize, and dispose of the products, services, concepts, or experiences to suit their needs, to suit their desires. So a behavior that consumes display, that the consumers they display in searching for, evaluating, disposing of products that they think will satisfy their needs. So in this research we'll attempt, what I have done is I have attempted to find the factors that affect the buying behavior of the consumer, because in the previous studies, or with the help of the literature review, what I have analyzed is that there was no comparative analysis that how the awareness and the perception of the plays a like important role in the mind of the consumer, and how that triggers the consumer. So marketing media, or the like marketing companies, what they are presently doing is they are creating the unique taglines in order to create a long lasting impression in the customer's mind, then creating an awareness among the people with the help of the sample product promotion, with the help of creating an emotional connection with the customers, with the help of different canopy marketing. So all these kind of strategies are a combination that can automatically leads to their influencing in their buying behavior. So moving on to the next slide. So materials and the methods that I have used in the presentation or in this research are, so this research design is a descriptive research. So descriptive research is basically that what are the reasons that influence the buying behavior of consumer, and why are those reasons they can influence the behavior, so that advertising companies in the future can make a better decision about what to invest and how to invest in in different type of celebrities in order to influence their customers so that they can come and buy the FMCG products. So sample size I have taken for this research is 100, and the selection technique, that is random convenience sampling. So in the region of Delhi NCR as well as in some areas of Bangalore also, so I have collected the samples from the people whom I have known, and I have distributed them the questionnaire, which is the survey instrument. So with the help of the convenience sampling, I have collected the data, and on that data I have applied two tests, that is regression and ANOVA. On to the next slide. So the results and the discussions of this study, the first thing is the gender differentiation. So we can see that almost 88% in this entire survey were conducted, that I have conducted, 88% of the people were male, whereas only 12% respondents were female. Coming to the media, so many people, like how they are influenced, or through what media are they seeing the celebrity and the non-celebrities, and on what media are they seeing the FMCG advertisement being endorsed by the celebrity. So we can see that 46% of the people they are using the television, then only 3% they use the radio as a medium to get update with the different type of the celebrities endorsed products. Then 31% of the people they are very active on the social media, using internet as a medium to get themselves updated about the different type of products and their prices. 9% of the people are getting updated with the help of the newspaper, whereas only 11% of the people are getting updated with the help of the billboards. So the next type, that is advertisement types, that is comparative, persuasive, and informative. So the comparative information tells us like how the consumer, in the mind of the consumer, how does the advertising media companies they play a different role. So individuals can compare the prices, individuals can compare the celebrity, as well as individual can compare the needs and wants that they want from a specific product. Similarly, the persuasive strategies adopted by media companies, the marketing companies. So almost 28% of the people they are getting influenced with the help of the persuasive media strategies. And 52% of the people find it that advertisements are pretty informative, which gives them a clear picture about the product quality, its features, its price, as well as the unique selling proposition about the product, which influences their buying behavior. So this is about the statistical analysis, the mean, the standard deviation that I have got from this research. So we can see that affect buying behavior. The mean is 3.59, so standard deviation is 0.77. In the similar way, the impact of advertisement to create the consumer awareness and the impact of advertisement to create the consumer perception is a bit higher comparatively to the effect on buying behavior. The next slide is ANOVA. We can see that the value of F, that is 33.004. So the value of f, it is greater, so the more greater the value of f is, so that is analysis of variance, which is a collection of the statistical models and their associated estimation procedures which are used to analyze the differences among the group means in a sample. So greater the value of f, larger is the variation. So that means there is a larger variation between the consumer buying behavior and the different type of advertisement media strategies adopted by the companies. Coming to the findings of the study, so there's a significant relationship. We can say that definitely relationship exists between the consumer buying behavior and an advertisement. Apart from this, advertisement can create the consumer awareness. Overall, the media that the consumers they prefer is television for watching the different advertisement, and television is one of the media which is above the internet media through which the consumers are getting updated. Advertisement is a good way to know information about the product. Good perception created by advertisement can push the consumer, so the companies with the help of the perception of consumers, they can like play push and pull strategy to influence their buying behavior. And the last is conclusion. So when we talk about the entire conclusion of this study, so I can say that this research was a study on the impact of advertisement on consumer buying behaviors with a special reference to the FMCG product. So for this purpose, the independent variable like your entertainment in the advertisement, familiarity of the advertisement, how the consumers they are getting influence, the consumer perception. So based on the analysis, it can be concluded that advertisement has a significant impact. So this study can be very helpful for the marketers to understand what triggers a consumer's attention to purchase, so they can determine which element in advertising is most effective and which has comparatively lower impact. So this research has already make a significant contribution, or can be a very effective, or can be an add-on to the literature for the future study, depending upon the qualitative and the quantitative data that I have included in this research. So a good and informative advertisement can create a position in the consumer's mind and increase the sales of the company, which is the primary motive of any organization, that is to increase the sales and earn the maximum profit with the help of the customer satisfaction. With this, I would like to put an end to my presentation. Thank you very much for being the patient listeners. Have a good day ahead. Thank you, everyone.